welcome back. For those of you that are new around here, we're Nicky and Kevin and we're packing our trunks. We've been living in our campervan Nellie since March 2023. We're currently in Ireland and we're coming to the end of our Ireland tour, and this video will be the last in our series. Sadly, yes. We've had a fantastic time, really enjoyed it.
Yep.
But yes, so this week is the last week.
But make sure you subscribe, and then next week you'll see our best and worst of Ireland video. So since we saw you last, we've been heading across the country, getting our way towards Dublin. Put a map on the screen here showing you which way we've come. We've had 3 park-ups at Waterways Ireland facilities, which have been brilliant, haven't they?
Yeah, really good.
By canals, by rivers, toilets. You can buy an Ireland Waterways card. At the last place it was 10 credits for €6.50, and you only needed 2 credits for a shower. We've got it on board, we didn't use it. The toilet and water was free.
Yeah, it's really strange. So the last 3 nights we've stayed in different waterways, harbours, and they've all been great, haven't
Brilliant,
they?
yeah.
Yes.
Now, if you're touring Ireland away from the obvious tourist places, I would recommend having a look at the Waterways Ireland facilities.
And this morning we had the most beautiful run, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah,
really nice.
Quite unexpected, wasn't it?
It was like where we were, which was a place called Robertstown, I think, and the Waterways facility was called Lowtown. It was like an intersection of various canals, wasn't it?
Yeah.
With a brilliant network of towpaths. And
we managed to find a really nice route as well. A bit of off-road, bit of canal, bit of road, bit of country road, wasn't it? And then we kept coming upon all these different bits of canal and over bridges, and it was lovely.
Chatting to a couple of people on boats, and the young lads knocking about on their bikes, all friendly, made us very welcome.
Really nice, really nice. We hadn't got a clue where we were, had we?
So that's us. So welcome. And this week we are going to tomorrow go to Dublin. So we're hoping to bring that adventure to you as well. So okay, let's go.
Come along.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We've woken up here in Greystones. It is no restriction on overnight parking. It's €3 for the whole day. And we're off to
Dublin.
Dublin's fair city. Let's go. 8 weeks and one day. One day of pretty much solitude.
Yeah. And then now we've come into the city. We're in Dublin now, and it's like, oh gosh, all these people, all these trams and buses and trains, but actually it's really nice.
Yeah,
so far.
Very different experience.
Yes.
Yeah. We booked ourselves onto a tour of Trinity College and a visit to the great library there, and to see the famous Book of Kells. And it was amazing. The tour was led by a student, a second year student, and they gave us a cracking history into the university, which first operated on that site in the 16th century. The Book of Kells, which rests in Trinity College, is a 9th century illuminated book of Gospels, originally from the island of Iona in Scotland, and it is quite an incredible thing to witness, although it was very popular. Equally as busy was the library in the long room. It's stunningly impressive, although most of the 200,000 books are away for refurbishment, but we did see the medieval harp upon which the emblems of Ireland are designed. We did a self-guided walking tour of Dublin, which was basically us failing to find a vegan restaurant open on a freezing cold Monday lunchtime in November. In the afternoon, we enjoyed a trip to the Epic Museum of Irish Emigration, an engaging, immersive, thought-provoking experience telling the sometimes tragic story of how and why 10 million people have left Ireland over the centuries, and also how the influence of this amazing country is felt the world over.
So we've had a lovely day in Dublin,
yes,
really nice, yeah, long day, long day. And we just got back to Nellie, and you know, it's the longest that we've ever left the van in a public place, but we think she's all okay.
Yeah, she looks Nellie.
I know.
She looks good.
Yes. Oh, oh yeah. It's. I mean, you know, it's always a relief, isn't it?
It
to
is,
get
yeah.
back. It really is. Yeah.
It's quite a commuter's car park, so
yeah.
hopefully there's always people coming and going here, but still no. It's still
nerve-wracking. Yeah. We've had a lovely day in Dublin. Really nice. Haven't we
really have.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's been such a contrast to the rest of the trip.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad we did it.
Yeah. Really good.
Yep.
Yeah,
so we're going to have our soup. We've got a vegan Kit Kat, and then it's early night because we've got to be up early for the ferry tomorrow. So that's the end of Ireland.
It is, yeah.
Yes. But we've loved our trip. Absolutely loved it. Yeah.
Yeah,
so,
we'll see you in the morning then.
Yes, and thank you, Ireland. Yes.
Thank you, Ireland.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Guess what we are? Late.
Not like us, is it?
No, we're normally so cautious about being there hours before.
Next ferry's not till 2:15.
Yeah, we've got eight minutes in the bank. We've got 8 minutes leeway, but we're not moving at the moment. How exciting! Will we make it?
I know. Right, we've actually just made it with minutes to spare.
Literally loading the ferry.
I know.
I love it.
I know, that is so unlike us. Really is. No coffee. No breakfast. We've got nothing packed up. Yeah, oh God, that was stressful. Really stressful, wasn't it? But anyway, we're here and we're about to board the ferry.
And Nicky's still making the picnic while we're driving onto the ferry.
Yeah, it's really naughty of me. Nothing.
Can't believe we've had 8.5 weeks to be ready for this ferry. So we're back in the UK.
Sorry.
Nicky found this campsite online in Wales and contacted them, and it's closed. So I don't know whether we should share the link, Nicky, should we? We'll ask them.
Yeah,
If they say
yeah.
yes, we'll share the link because it's
She is
absolutely.
closed.
But they are closed for the
she
winter.
was
But
really good.
it was so helpful, and so we got off the ferry lunchtime, and we've driven down to here, West Wales, and there's the sea over there. There's only us here. There's a country lane there, although there is a car going by. On a farm, but hard standing. We have an electric hookup. Our battery's going to be 100% for the first time in weeks and weeks.
Gonna have a shower for an hour.
A shower for
Dry my hair.
Yeah, we've
hopefully.
got 16 amp electric hookup. Honestly, we're so excited about these little luxuries. But what we're also doing, because when you're wild camping, you can't do this, can you?
No.
You can't.
We've had one opportunity. I
Yeah.
did wash the floor and clean
You
the...
can't
Yeah, a little
just
bit.
park up on the beach and empty the van out and start spread out. So I've got my tools out because I've done a few tiny little repairs. That's us. But that is the reality of van life. The van gets a bit grubbier and a bit grubbier and a bit grubbier, and you're struggling to keep on top of it because it's raining. It's getting dark early.
Oh, no, the other reason is because we got visitors tomorrow night, haven't we?
Oh yeah, we're having a van life meetup, and yeah, we're like, oh god, we can't have someone in here. It's done pretty well actually,
It has
hasn't it?
actually, yeah, over 8 weeks.
And so
yeah.
have we.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
I mean, look at us. We
Yeah.
look
The
terrible.
only thing is we're going to have to put our bag of washing outside when they come in
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah, with the running socks and that. Yeah. So, but yeah, so this is and a bit like in Ireland, if you don't ask. So, Nicky asked the question, and they've taken the money, and we just, I mean, you know, us, we're just going to plug in, have our night's sleep. We're off. We need to be quite a bit further south at 11 tomorrow, so we won't be here long. Yeah, so that's us. Good morning. Seeing as we're in Wales, we thought we'd better end our Ireland adventure video here, haven't we?
Yeah, we've had a fantastic time. We've had a really great 8 weeks, and I'd like to say thank you to everybody that's taken the time and the trouble to watch our videos, and thank you for all the comments. So if you enjoyed this week's video, give us a like, maybe think about subscribing, telling all your friends, and ring the notification bell.
Yeah, do.
Yes.
And and come back next week when we will be sharing our reflections on 8 weeks in Ireland, van life in autumn and winter, the way we do it.
Yes.
And so hopefully that'll be informative for anybody thinking of going to Ireland.
Yeah, I know that it would have been for us, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
it's exactly the sort of video we enjoy watching.
Yeah, and we love watching. We love watching other YouTubers' videos as well. We get so much from them.
Yeah, we do, and we still do now for places we are hoping to visit.
Yes.
So, so that's us. We will see you
Next week. Thank you.